Dr. Kulsum Akhtar. I'm from Degree College, Pulwama. So this workshop is open for all. There are the participants from degree colleges, from universities, and also the student participants. This kind of workshop is very important. Um, Last year also there was one workshop which was to empower women in science, different streams of science, mathematics, and science and technology. So I think this is the need of our here. We are it is giving us hard time to bring students towards STEM. So this kind of workshops and conferences and summits, these are very important to encourage students to go in these fields. So I think this workshop so far it was very good. Students are feeling very enthusiastic about going for higher studies in these fields. So I think this kind of workshops should be um, conducted more and more. This should be, we are trying at college levels, but not this big because this needs funding and other things. We are trying to organize this kind of workshops and seminars and conferences in college level also, but due to the lack of like fundings, we are not able to do this at smaller at district levels. So this is a big institute, of course, Kashmir University, so they are doing it here regularly, and they are inviting participation from different fields, from higher education teachers and students from different fields.
Dr. Hina Qayyum. I have recently completed my PhD from the Department of Bioresources, University of Kashmir. So I came to this workshop STEM because I wanted to explore the avenues which the STEM gives us, as the women empowerment is there, and in research there are very less like female folk which joins after PhD the research aspect. And in my opinion, this was a great workshop to attend because this workshop gave us insights about how can we pursue our career in research and what are the avenues given to women folks by the government of India, and to explore this aspect of science and to explore it further as a research career. It was a great experience to join this workshop, and I was happy to join it. Yes, to some extent, yes. There is a great need of like conducting these kind of workshops because this provides the insights to women that how much beyond they can go, because it's shifting from academia to research completely as a career. So much is needed, like to give knowledge to the female folks, not only just female folks, but to everyone who is not knowing everything about it. Because in academia we just study and we get a degree, but to do research it needs much more. For that, these avenues are much more needed, and it should be like they should be conducted much more.
जो हमने ये 2 दिन जो हमने वर्कशॉप की, लेक्चर वर्कशॉप बेसिकली, इट वाज़ अबाउट वुमेन इन स्टेम. स्टेम मीन्स साइंस, टेक्नोलॉजी, इंजीनियरिंग एंड मैथमेटिक्स. तो हमारा जो वुमेन है इन दीज फील्ड्स, हालांकि हमारे पास ग्रेजुएट्स बहुत हैं, बहुत सारी लड़कियां इंजीनियरिंग कर रही हैं, साइंस कर रही हैं, बायोलॉजी पढ़ रही हैं, फ़िज़िक्स, मैथ, लेकिन फिर जब हम देखते हैं कि साइंटिस्ट कितने हैं, फैकल्टीज़ कितने हैं कॉलेजेस में या यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में या रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट्स में, दैट इज़ वेरी लो. For example, recent data by CSIR survey shows that we have 43% of graduates in STEM across, and that is across the globe, that is highest number. लेकिन जब हम फिर देखते हैं उनका शेयर इन द वर्क फोर्स परमानेंट कितने हैं, दैट इज़ ओनली मेगर 19%. एंड ये जो ड्रॉप है in the women workforce, it is because of various reasons. For example, child care, childbirth, marriage, gender assigned roles, lack of support and all this. तो ये वर्कशॉप जो थी इसी बारे में थी, to raise awareness that how to overcome these challenges and how to pursue career in the STEM. We got many eminent scientists across the India who shared their stories, how they overcame these challenges, and how government and other institutions can take notice of this and take various measures, which government is already taking. There are various fellowships which are for women only, various recruitment relaxations are there, but still a lot of needs to be still done. And this workshop jo thi, it was about raising that awareness and sensitizing the सोसाइटी ओवरऑल। मुझे जहाँ तक लगता है ये पहली बार का इस तरह से एक वर्कशॉप हुई है कश्मीर यूनिवर्सिटी में। एंड मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है जिस तरह से ये बहुत सक्सेसफुल हुआ, बहुत सारी फैकल्टीज़ और स्टूडेंट्स आगे आए और उन्होंने बहुत अप्रिशिएट किया इस प्रोग्राम को, वर्कशॉप को, और वो बोल रहे हैं कि हमें एक नया एंथुसियाज़म मिला, हमें नई एनर्जी मिली। और मुझे लगता है कि हम ये बार बार करेंगे इस तरह के वर्कशॉप्स। वी हैव बीन डूइंग हैंड्स ऑन वर्कशॉप्स earlier, but this kind of awareness program we are doing first time, and inshallah we'll be doing in the future also. Seeing the response from the girls, academia, college faculties, and our students which include PG.